Oh, hello, and welcome to Stuff Time. Summer is out, autumn is in, and I'm here for it. I've got some autumn sewing plans, and I'm going to share them with you right now. I have quite an ambitious amount of goals, but it's okay. Gotta reach for the stars, you know? So I'm gonna go over them with you, starting with this top fabric here. So I have two weddings back to back coming up, and these two top fabrics are going to be used for two dresses that I will be wearing at those weddings. This is a cotton voile. I do not know how to say it, but it's 100% cotton. It's really beautiful. I know this isn't like super duper autumn, but it's okay. We're giving summer a tribute while saying goodbye to it. I'm going to use this to make the Million Buttons dress by Daria Pattern Making. This dress is beautiful. I'm so ready to make it. The designer over at Daria Pattern Making made this one that made her look like Cinderella. I will put it on screen now. It is so beautiful, and I'm excited to make it out of this. And this is from Blackbird Fabrics. So up next I have this beautiful crinkle cotton. It is from Blackbird Fabrics as well, in this beautiful navy and chocolate color. And I'm using it to make the Milkmaid dress by Lydia Naomi. It is so beautiful and so soft, but I'm really excited about this. So up next is this printed linen gingham fabric from Joann's. I plan to hack the Elliot top by Cool Stitches, which I've already made a video about, but instead of just doing the button front, I'm going to add a long skirt to make it a dress. And I'm also going to be making it like a 3/4 or full-length sleeve. So Lorraine from the Socialite on Instagram also did a hack into a dress, so great minds think alike. So I'm very excited to do that with this fabric. I think it'll be really pretty to layer in the fall. All right, up next I have this brown linen. It is like vintage wash linen from the fabric store. And it is so precious to me that I have not cut into it. So I've been patiently waiting, and I'm trying to decide if I want to make another olya shirt, which is the shirt I'm wearing. And I have a tutorial out, or a sew with me out, to make this shirt so you can follow along. But I want to make either that or a dress. So comment below what you think I should make. I think a classic brown button-up linen shirt would be just lovely. So I think that's what I'm leaning towards, but let me know in the comments what you think I should make out of this beautiful linen. Up next, I'm holding all three of these, yes, because I recently drafted a sweater pattern. I did a YouTube live showing you guys the process of making it, and I wanted to work with a little bit of color blockings. I got these 3 tinsel and organic cotton French terry fabrics from Blackbird Fabrics, and they are so soft, and I'm so excited to work with them. The sweater pattern that I drafted is a raglan sleeve, but I was thinking about hacking a little bit and doing like a deep V kind of varsity sweater from the 80s style with these warm colors. And I'm really excited because this is just like the essence of autumn to me. I have been holding on to this fabric for a very long time. I thrifted it last year, and I knew that it deserved something really great. I'm pretty sure it is a bed sheet, but it is flannel, and it's this beautiful like muted sage and oatmeal color. It is just lovely. But I wanted to make it into a pajama set / wear outside and wear wherever. I think that the flannel shirt will go well with anything, but if I have extra, then I'll just make it into a flannel pajama set because that sounds amazing. So I'm really excited about this. It is so soft, and I thrifted it. So just another case in point of you can find awesome fabrics at the thrift store. All right, up next is this beautiful forest green wool that I got from this awesome fabric warehouse near me called Fine Fabrics. And they're really awesome because they have a ton of fabrics, but they have an amazing remnant like section. The remnants come in like a yard to 2.5 yard cuts, which is amazing. So this is 2 yards of this beautiful green wool, and I plan to make a pair of trousers out of it. I recently drafted a pair of trousers that fit me like a glove, and I'm excited. They have like a double welt slant pocket on the front, and I will either make a pair of those trousers or a pair of the Tatiana trousers, which I've already made on this channel. So definitely excited about that. Up next is this beautiful cream like canvas twill. It's also from Fine Fabrics from the remnant section. This is 2 yards at $5.99. I have two cuts that are basically the same, and I am really excited about this because I have been wanting to make this since last autumn, but I wanted to trace a pattern off of my favorite pair of vintage Lee overalls using the technique. I'll put it right here. I made a video about it before, but I'm really excited because I've had this plan for a while, and y'all are basically now my accountability partners. So thank you for that, because I've been wanting to make this for so long, and now I'm finally pushing myself to do that this autumn, because I know I'll get a ton of wear out of a pair of like cream overalls. I got this fabric from like Facebook Marketplace. Somebody was just giving away a box of fabric for free, and in it was this like brown corduroy. I also in that box got like a ton of black corduroy and some like green linen. But it's beautiful. It's it'll be perfect for a jacket, and for my anniversary last year, it was like the cotton anniversary. So I promised my partner that I would make him a workwear jacket, specifically the Paola workwear jacket from the fabric store. So I'm excited to make that, and if I have enough, I have about 2 pieces. This much is probably like 4 yards. If I have enough, then I'll just make us matching jackets. And last but not least, I have this beautiful blanket that I got from my last thrifted venture and thrift haul. And I'm also going to make some sort of jacket out of it. I'm thinking the Paola workwear jacket would be really nice. So you'll just have to stay tuned and see what I make from this. But yeah, colors just, they're so autumn, so beautiful. These are all the things I plan to make this autumn. So thank you guys so much for watching, and thank you for being my accountability partners and moral support. Please let me know below what you plan to make this autumn. I hope that this inspired you at least a little bit. And if you want to see what I make from this stuff, make sure to subscribe to follow along and like this video. And I will see you all next time. Bye. It's my kitty. Kitty, 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 kitty.